friends, and welcome back to my channel. This is Sonika from Mumbai. I know it's been very long and have came along to get along with you guys and did a video. It's been a long. So today I would like to share with you guys. I'm coming up with a new video that is a haul video. It's been a much requested video. So today I would like to show you guys the cute, lovely products from Miniso haul that I have got from Chandigarh. A month back. It's been a month. I haven't even opened my package, so I'll just show you around. I got such a really cute stuff, and I just like fully loaded stuff from Miniso. I mean, I'm just loving it. And it's like cute. They have amazing, cute little stuff from your basic, from your home care to your skin care to your makeup for school kids, purses, specs, like utensils, you name it. They have all like at a very affordable price, and it's a Japanese store, Miniso. So for sure you can just, and it's very affordable for people living in Chandigarh. It's in Elante Mall. It's in the basement. They have the store, Miniso, and they're amazing, cute, very cute stuff. So let's not waste time and get started with my video. So I got a mix of stuff from my makeup products, related stuff to my home care, and to the cute things which I like. So let's not waste our time and get started. So to start off with, I got this amazing makeup cleanser tool where you can clean up your brushes, and this is at a very affordable price, just for 190 bucks, where you can clean up your brushes. There you can see the price. Then I got myself, I never had this, so I really wanted to buy eyelash curler, so I got this, and even this is at a very affordable price. It is for 230 bucks. You can see you get this in various colors. As you can see, it's in a black and silver. Then I got myself, I wanted a makeup tumbler, so I got this amazing, it's actually sealed, so I'll just open one of them. I got this 2 of it, makeup tumbler, and it's really cute and very beautiful. It's a glass form. There you can see, such a cute stuff for keeping up your brushes, and I have a lot of brushes, so I thought why not get some cute stuff for keeping my brushes. I got this Q-tips, or say earbuds, for my makeup. It's in black in color. They got in many shades. We generally get in white, you know, but coming to Miniso, you'll get in colors as well. So I like black, and there's something different, and for makeup purpose, I feel the more black stuff we keep, it looks more classy and looks good at a desk. So I chose this. It's a black cotton swab with paper stamp, and it is for 150 bucks. There you can see it's totally loaded. It's completely full. It has around 200 pieces. Then I got this multi-purpose makeup brush. You guys can see. This is like a 3-in-1 makeup brush, that is for multi-purpose makeup brush that you can use. You can see at the top, and then the center, and then the small one. This is a 3-in-1. This is for 350. It's called a beveled makeup brush, so you can use it for buffing, and they kind of have a makeup sponge to it, and kind of eye brush. So 3-in-1, you don't have to buy many brushes, so you can just go with this. Then for coming to skincare, I got this cute skincare, keeping like a travel size packet. So if you are traveling, you can carry this cute. You don't have to carry the bundles of bottles for your makeup products. You can directly go and keep your skincare products. So they have this in the 1, 2, 3. They have in like 3 of it, and with a diffuser, and the cute small boxes, cute, or say dubbies. You can keep your skincare, you can keep your cleanser, you can keep your rose water, your moisturizer, primer. You can keep so many stuff in this, and they have this cute makeup thingy in the bag, so I really loved it. And this is again cheap. This is for 190, and you get it in many different shades and different colors. If you want a single color shades, you have in that. So do visit their stores, any nearby stores wherever you guys live. try finding out Miniso store nearby you. You'll get amazing stuff. Then I got this cute shimmery pink nail paint. I hope you guys can see. It's a very cute, and it's again just for 90 bucks. So they have really cute and affordable stuff at very reasonable price, and really like that. Then I got this compressed sheet mask. It's just for 190 bucks, and you just have to use this like whatever flavor of face mask you want. You can just take one sheet out of it and just open and just dip it into, for example, I want to use the rose water, right? So I want to give a freshness feeling for rose, so I will dip this mask for say around 1 minute, 1 or 2 minutes. Just dip into the rose water and just apply it on the face, and you'll get amazing refreshing. So these are like the plain masks, and these are around 30 pieces, made of non-woven fabric, which is easily absorbable. So it's really good. So you can try this for your different face masks. You can try. You don't have to like particular go for one. You can. These are very simple, so you can have to choose different base for your face mask. So you can just dip one into it, and you can try out. They have like 30 pieces. So I think you are good to go for a month or so. It's really good. Then I got this eyebrow tweezer, because in lockdown we had a lot of issues for eyebrows and threading. Because of the lockdown we couldn't go to salons and everything was closed. So for the safer side, I thought why not just buy this. It's a compact brow trimmer with flippable blade guard, and it's 2 pieces, and this is for 190 bucks. So these are like really cute. You get this. Then for traveling, I got this such a cutie pie. I've already used it, so excuse that. A cute water bottle. It's made of glass, and it says as love, enjoy your life. You get such a cute bottles and glasses and tumblers over there, and you know, for your coffee mugs also you get really nice. I loved it. So there you go. This is really cute, and it's handy, and you can carry this in your purse. Then I got this amazing scented candle from Miniso. It's a tropical peach, and they have this small fan made here, so you can even smell it. Oh my god, it's just amazing. I'll try if I can just open and show you guys. One second. I just have to peel it off completely. There. Isn't that such a cute? And you can see here. You just have to remove this paper sheet, and you have this candle. And see around here. It looks so cute, and it's made of glass, so you can even keep it as a showpiece, and you can just use it. Oh my god, I love the smell of it. I got this cute mirror from Miniso again. I think I got this for this I got for 350. So you can see this. It's so amazing, and it has this stand, so you can keep this on your makeup table or your dressing table for doing makeup, and it's double-sided. So there you go. Last but not the least, I thought I should get something for my home as well. Not much, but a very cute fridge towel. I got this from Miniso. I think so. This is for 150 per. Isn't that so cutie? So this was like my very short and sweet Miniso haul. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll keep updating if you like to see more of hauls and such videos of one brand makeup, or anything other hauls you like to see, kindly message me in the description, in the comment box, and I'll give all the details in the description box what all I got, and you can surely check out. You can get these products even on Amazon. So for more such videos, kindly subscribe to my channel Soni Kaur and follow me on Instagram Soni Kaur Makeup Studio. Thank you so much.